had the worst nightmare. I was researching the VIN number of my car. You can decode your Pontiac or any GM car's vehicle identification number or VIN number by looking online for references. Here I will go through my VIN number step by step. My VIN is 2W87W9L208457. The first character is the division. It would be 1 for Chevrolet, 2 for Pontiac, 3 for Oldsmobile, 4 for Buick, and 6 for Cadillac. In my VIN number, I have a 2, so that means I have a Pontiac. The second character is the model. S for base Firebird, T for Spree, U for Formula, and W for Trans Am. I also have a W in my VIN number, so that means I have a Trans Am. The third and fourth characters are the body type. It is 87 since all Firebirds are two-door sport coupes. The fifth character is the engine. The fifth character. Pontiac, why did you offer so many engines?
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
There are too many different engines offered in the second gen Firebirds for me to cover. So, here we will go over the sixth character to narrow it down. The sixth character is the year. It is pretty straightforward for 1972 through 1980 Firebirds. It is the last number of the year, or an A for 1980. So, I have a 9 in my VIN number, so that means I have a 1979. I should note that 1981s went to a 17 character VIN. Now back to the fifth character, the engine. In 1979, there were 7 engines offered, as far as I can tell. A is for a LD5 3.8 liter 131 cubic inch Buick V6 motor. Its max horsepower is 105. G is for an LG3 5.0 liter 305 cubic inch Chevrolet V8. Its max horsepower is 135 or 150. L stands for an LM1 5.7 liter 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8. Its max horsepower is 170. K for L80 6.6 liter 403 cubic inch Oldsmobile V8 185 horsepower. Y L27 4.9 liter 301 cubic inch Pontiac V8. Its max horsepower is 135. W is for L37 4.9 liter 301 cubic inch Pontiac V8 150 or 170 horsepower. C for W72 6.6 liter 400 cubic inch Pontiac V8 220 horsepower. In my VIN number, I have a W. So my car originally came with a L37 4.9 liter 301 cubic inch Pontiac V8. This is interesting because my dad just assumed that it was an Oldsmobile sourced 403. The seventh character is the plant of production. Second generation Firebirds were only made in 2 places. N for Norwood, Ohio, and L for Los Angeles. Mine was made at the Los Angeles plant. The rest of the numbers are sequential serial numbers. Don't spend sleepless nights researching your VIN number when you could just go to this website and get your VIN number the easy way.
Turn straight, turn straight, turn straight, turn straight!